You have it. Yeah. This was the question. Den, die, das, die. You have to put up the correct article and you also have to tell me that this was an accusative statement or nominative statement. Okay, Ashwin. Ich will mit dir beginnen. Nummer 1, bitte.
Ich habe das
Ich habe das Buch.
yeah.
Yeah.
Das
What is everybody else answer?
Yes.
Did anybody say den?
den.
Revati, did you say den? Okay, like this, I won't be able to get the individual's answer. Better is, I'll tell the number and I need the answer in the chat box. Everybody will write their answer so that I could see what you have written. Otherwise, it will be messed up thing for me. So I'll number 1. Ashwin answer I got it. He said das. I think Sana also said Samriddhi, and you please write down your answer. Okay, Samriddhi and Sana. Okay. Okay, and then Revati, please schreiben Sie die Antwort auf dem Chatbox, bitte. Okay, let Revati write. Second one, ist dash Affen. Schreiben Sie bitte Antwort von 2. Okay, I got the answer from Samriddhi and Ashwin. Richtig. Sana, very good. Richtig. They are good. Okay, Revati. Revati, are you trying? Revati, I am muting you because I think your microphone is creating something which is creating a disturbance in my ears. So better if you're not able to speak, no problem, dear. Just write down the answer. Yeah, that would help because I need to see is it clear or not. So yeah, we'll proceed. Then Nummer 3, wir kaufen dash Wohnung. Okay, Sana, very good. Very good, Samriddhi, sehr gut. Ashwin, Antwort Nummer 3, super, schnell. Yeah, super. Okay. Yes, what? I'm not getting the answer from Revati. I don't know what's the problem. Revati, if you're unable to write it down here, please send it the answer to me in WhatsApp. That would also work. Okay, the next one, Nummer 4, bitte. Sie sucht dash Schlüssel. Okay, Samriddhi. Sehr gut. Okay, Ashwin, Sana, very good. Schlüssel. Okay, now Schlüssel is thing. Basically, Schlüssel का जो plural होता है, वो भी Schlüssel होता है. And Schlüssel का जो singular होता है, वो भी Schlüssel होता है. So here, अगर plural में लिखना है, तो you can also write D because plural, accusative, nominative, they are same. And if you are considering it singular, then you have to write it den. Yeah, sehr gut. So sie sucht den Schlüssel oder die Schlüssel. Both are right. Then, kennst du dash Weg? Sana. Richtig. Samriddhi, Ashwin, super. Okay. Dann kommen wir zurück zum Nummer 6. Ich brauche dash Computer. Okay. Sana writes den. Ashwin writes den. Samriddhi, warum der? Computer is der Computer. So ich brauche, ich is the subject. So computer is object. That's why ich brauche den Computer. Yeah, Samriddhi?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Then Sie sehen dash Freunde. Sie sehen dash Freunde. Okay, sehr gut, Ashwin, Samriddhi. Ja, Revati, sehr gut. Sie sehen dash Freunde. And Sana, Freunde. Plural. Article. Bitte.
I think my numbering is wrong because I got confused. What did I write?
Okay. What did you write for Nummer 6? Ich brauche dash Computer.
I wrote den.
Yeah, richtig, that's correct. Then Nummer 7 is Sie sehen dash Freunde.
I wrote den.
Den Freunde. Freunde is die Freunde, dear. Freunde means friends.
Actually, I was not remembering the article for friend, so I checked it from the dictionary. That was, I think, showing it is a masculine.
Okay, I know what is the confusion. You might have seen for the Freund. There are two words. I'll write it here. Warten. Okay. Yeah, you might have got it this way. Freund or Freund, the दो word होता है, ठीक है? Freund, the word that is used for a masculine friend, that is the male friend. Freund, their Freund. And then we have a plural Freund, जो अगर female friend है, अगर girlfriend है, तो this is the word for female friend, that is Freundin, ठीक है? और अगर female friend और male friend mix up है, मतलब you have both the friends, then we call it die Freunde. That is the plural form, which means friends. Yeah. Oh my God. Matlab German sikte I forgot the meaning friend of whatever. Yeah, die Freunde, friends, Freundin, ladki dost, and Freund is male. So you might have saw this. But the question says Freunde. So it's plural. That's why die Freunde. Yeah. Okay. Then the next Frage ist hörst du dash Musik? Hörst du dash Musik? Antwort bitte. Ja. Okay, super. Richtig. Ja. Hörst du? Musik ist die Musik, so die Musik. Richtig. Okay. Dann ich koche dash Kartoffeln. Ich koche dash Kartoffeln. Okay, everyone writes here die Kartoffeln. Okay, Kartoffel. Sorry, es tut mir leid. I read it Kartoffel. It's Kartoffel plural. Okay, richtig. Kartoffel, die Kartoffel. Okay, trinkt dash Saft. Antwort. Yeah. Okay. Samriddhi, Revati, Ashwin and Sana. Eh? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Ashwin. Richtig. Saft.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you tell me which is this question number?
Question number is sehen. 10. Trinkt dash Saft.
Yes.
Antwort. Saft is juice and the article is der Saft, so it will change den Saft. Super. Last one. Ich möchte dash Bild. Ich möchte. Yeah, very good. Super. Das war ganz klar. Okay. I didn't see any problem here though. Did you see any problem here? I didn't see anything. Yeah, ein Moment. There was thing. Richtig. Yeah, das. Der richtige Antwort here is das. Ich möchte das Bild. So, I don't see any problem here, which is good thing. Let's move to the keinen thing. Yeah. So all of you really well done. I'm happy that you could do it. Yeah. Okay, so hat dash Auto. Antwort. Hat dash Auto. Revati, richtig. Yeah. Others? Samriddhi, richtig. Hat dash Auto. Ashwin, richtig. Okay. And Sana? Hat dash Auto.
Answer, it is fine.
Ja, okay, sehr gut. Okay, dann Nummer 2. 23. Wir brauchen dash Hilfe. Ja, super. Very good.
Dash.
Who wrote kind? Hilfe.
You're not showing the same. You're not showing the same question.
You want to see the question?
Yeah.
What? Okay. Yeah, here it is. Yeah.